Hey guys, I wanted to show you that eyeshadow look I did the other day using those 4 colors, those bright like sunset colors. And they are, it's this 4 right here. It's Seint, which is kind of this brick color, that bright Hija, it's a really deep like purple pink color. Tawanda, this shimmer, and then Crush, which is this orangey shimmer there. So they're very pretty. You can do a lot of combos with them, but for this one, I'm actually going to zoom in just a little bit to show you better. So I'm going to take my Eyeshadow Everything brush, I'm going to take the fluffy side, and I'm going to go into Seint first. And I'm just lightly tapping in there and tapping off the excess. And I'm going to go right in my crease first and then blend it out. So not only am I going to go in my crease, but I'm going to go above my crease because I have a very heavy hooded eyelid, like right here in my brow area, my brow bone, whatever it is. So I take mine above my crease as well, because when my eyes relax, you can see that's how much shows. So if you have hooded eyes, take it up higher than you think. And I'm just kind of windshield wipering this on, and then I'm going to bring it down and sort of make that V shape right there. I might even take it just a little bit higher. Okay, and then you can take it right under the eye just a little bit, but we'll probably do a little bit more of that in a minute. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go into Hija, which is that darker color. Same side of the brush, just picking up just a little bit, tap to getting the excess off, and then you're doing this with a very light hand. You're going to go in kind of right where you did the Seint, maybe right underneath it, and then kind of bring it down to that outer third of your eyelid, out to that outer corner, and just kind of swirl it around a little bit. You can deepen it if you want more of the pink showing. And then I just kind of bring it onto the lid and I start blending it towards the center of the lid just a little bit. And then blending it up. So you're going to create that like ombre kind of look because you have that Seint on there first. This is coming up under it. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go in with Tawanda, which is the pink gold shimmer color. And I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put it right here on the center of my lid. And then kind of upwards just a little bit because you're not going to see it at all if I don't take it up a little bit for my eye shape. And just kind of press it in. Okay, I'm taking Crush and I'm doing the same thing, just tapping it on my finger. I'm going to put it in this inner corner over here. And then kind of blending it to the center. And then I'll take my fluffy end of my Eyeshadow Everything brush again and just kind of sweep it lightly just to blend it out a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go back to my small end of my Eyeshadow Everything brush and take that Seint and run it under just a little bit, just to kind of line my eye. And then take the Hija and just do a little bit of that as well. Okay. And then, let's see. Okay, I don't usually line my eyes, or I don't every day, but I'm going to take a, this is the L'Oreal Smoldering Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm just going to tight line right here on the upper lid, just because I didn't put much of a darker color out here, and so it just kind of deepens the look just a little bit. Well, couldn't see me doing that, could you? Okay. That just adds a little bit of depth to it. I don't know the word. I just needed a little something darker, so. Before I put my mascara on, I'll show you real quick. If you want to get a little bit of extra lift out here, you can take your brush. I'm gonna use Linen, which is like one of our very bright highlight colors. I'm just gonna get a tiny bit of it and take it and sort of sweep it on this outer corner to lift the eye just a little bit. Whoops. Okay. All right, I added mascara and I'm all done. Super easy. These colors are so pretty. You can use them for multiple combinations. If you have any questions about them, let me know. I'm gonna zoom on back out here. I also used Zion for my cheek color, and then I used Zion and Nude mixed together on my lips. I'm sorry, that's not right. I used Sandstone, which is the same color. It's a lip and cheek color, but it's the same shade as Zion. That's why I said that. So anyway, that probably confused you. So Zion was on the eyes, Sandstone on the cheeks, Sandstone and Nude on the lips. Anyway, bottom line is they're all good colors for fall. So if you want me to help you build a palette for yourself, just let me know. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye guys.